Hey guys, my name is Cece Fox. Today we're going to be talking about my Boxycharm. This is one of my favorites that I've gotten yet, and I'm not sure if it's because they are trying to totally keep me. I'm so excited. Let me tell you guys. One, I love eyeshadow palettes no matter what. This one's Violet Voss. And if you can see, these colors are boss. Okay, we got some cool colors here. I'm wearing one like this one now, so it can go with different stuff. And what I did was something like that with this for my eyeshadow today. And something like this oftentimes goes good even as an eyebrow. You know, so you use the eyebrow brush, a nice and sturdy one. Everybody can use this one. And it says it has high pigment. What? 10 of them? Yes, 10 eyeshadows. Boxycharm, 10 eyeshadows in itself. Okay, the next one is Kate Summerville. If you guys have heard, I mean, this is good stuff. This is a great product line. And this one is Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. And the cleanser is going to be great because this is a great brand. I haven't tried it yet, but I cannot wait to try it. I hope it's not too creamy. You know, sometimes you get that creamy lather that you can't really get off, and it's kind of like, but it seems like it's going to be great. This one here, Glowasis. What? Milk Dew pH Balancing Moisturizing Toner. Okay. This seems like, I mean, just saying, like, it just seems so creamy and nice, and it's vegan, it's clean, it's effective is what it says. And if you don't use a toner, try to use a toner, because what a toner does is it closes your pores, so you know you don't get all that environmental damage, you don't get all the gunk, all the dirt, anything. Like if you ever touch your face, all the stuff on your hands gets in your face, so a toner will help to tighten up those pores. And you know, that always looks great when you're taut. Okay, Blink is the next one, and I cannot rave enough about this one. I love it. For your eyelashes, this is so cool. I learned about this at a beauty show so long ago. It's a technology. I think the other eyelash thing was called like Kiss or Kiss Me mascara, and it's always super expensive. And I mean, Boxycharm, it's so cool to be able to try out all of these things. But let me tell you about Blink. So what it does is it coats your eyelashes in this type of like tube. Like it makes a tube around your eyelash, and you will see it when you wash off your makeup. I know with the other mascara I was talking about earlier, you have to use soap and water in order for it to come off. Like you can't just get water on it, it'll be fine. You have to use soap and water. It comes off, and it's so crazy because when it comes off and you rub it, it's like little tubes, like little strings come off, because it just totally coated each eyelash in like a little tube of mascara. And then when you take it off, so it's so cool. It's not like messy when you wash it off. So this is cool. If that's something that bothers you, all the black and raccoon eyes from when you wash it off and you have a problem with that, this is the one for you. Blink. I'm so excited that this was part of the box. I am seriously so excited. Okay, so Hey Honey, I've never heard of this one, but so great. It has a tinted lip gloss. So it's not like your normal lip glosses where it just has like a little sheen of color. This is like kind of makes your own natural color pop. So it makes it look so natural. It even has a little bit of flavor in it. So it's kind of like adult flavor. You know, I think I even saw that stevia is in this one. But isn't it cool? It gives like just that perfect on the go moisturizing yet a little flare color. Yes! So that's my Boxycharm for this month. I'm a little late on that one, but I had to show you all of this. I could not let it go without sharing it with you, my people, because it is so fabulous. So, Boxycharm, check it out. You could use my code too. Hey, have a great day.